like a Hellcat.
I am Ravi Kumar of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. Today we will start with a problem on pentagonal prism. Okay, pentagonal prism given 25 mm side of base and 60 mm axis length rests on HP. Okay, you can see here now it will be given a pentagonal prism. Okay, given 25 mm side. Okay, height of the axis side will be given 60 mm. The height of the prism will be 60 mm. Okay, here it says that rest on one of its HP on one of its edges of the base. One of the edges of the base. Here you have to first step, you have to place the prism rest on HP on one of its edge should be placed on right side. Here in this problem you are going to rest on one of its edge on the base of the HP. So you have to take edge on right side. Let's construct the pentagon of side 25 mm. Construct the pentagon of side taking edge on right side. Construct the pentagon, okay, of side 25 mm. It's actually we are going to observe the object. First step you are going to place the prism here. First step you are going to observe the object top view. Okay, you are going to draw top view of this. Okay, you can draw the top view. Okay, that you are going to represent. That we are going to draw on top view. The top A, B, C, D is visible, and bottom A1, E1, D1, C1, and B1 is not visible. Okay, here first you draw the top view. That be what you have shown A, E, D, C, B. That be top side pentagon visible. Bottom side pentagon sides, that is A1, E1, D1, C1 and B1. Okay, A1, E1, D1, C1, B1 is not visible. That are shown in closed bracket. That indicate closed bracket. Okay, once you draw top view and then locate the center. Locate the center. How to locate center? To locate center, okay, draw a line from midpoint of the corner, midpoint C from C to midpoint of the opposite side, and then D to midpoint of the other side, you'll get the center. Once you got the center, okay, that you can call as top side visible O, okay, and then in close bracket, bottom side you can call as O1 is not visible. That you are showing close bracket, that is top side O visible. This top side O visible, bottom side O1 is not visible. Okay, that you are shown here. Now we have to draw the front view. Now we have to draw the front view. So to draw front view, to draw front view, you are going to observe the object from the front side. Here you are going to observe the object. You will get the shape, rectangle shape like this. Okay. To draw front view, okay, in the front side, you can see three longer sides, A2, A1, B2, B1, and C2, C1 to C. C1 to C will be visible. Okay, front view, these three longer sides visible, A2, A1, B1, C, C1. That's why you can see here, A2, A1 dash, bottom side will be A1, A1 dash, front side will be A dash, and B dash and B1 dash and B dash. Here C dash to C1 dash. You are going to take at height of 60 mm. Okay, you are going to draw rectangle. Front three lines you are going to draw, and base edges, front base edges, top base edges you are drawn. Front you will get a rectangle. And from center point, okay, from the center point, locate axis. You have to represent, to draw the axis line. Okay, this is the center axis line. To represent this axis line, you're going to take the axis center line. Okay, that will be your, to represent O1 dash and O dash. That will be, both are not visible. This is the imaginary axis line. Once you draw top view and front view and show the dimensions using smart dimensions, or in your normally, if you draw it in your own normal drawing, you're going to draw with the showing the dimensions on height of the prism and one side of the base side of the prism, pentagonal prism. Once you've drawn dimensions, you've drawn represent. Okay. Next step, you have to what we say that a pentagonal prism resting on one of its base side on HP are drawn. Okay. So next, what will you say that when they draw the projection, when the axis prism is being inclined at 40 degrees to HP. Okay, next is the second step. In second position, your two axis will be inclined to HP at 40 degree. How to draw by using software? First, I'll tell you how to draw by using software. First, you would go here, select drawing, whole drawing. We already drawn in planes. Similar way, select front view. Go to have here move option. Go to move. Select any one side or corner. Move the reserve. By moving, you make use of copy move. Okay, copy move, then move the reserve. Okay, click here. Okay, then right click, it will be written like this. Then now you say that in the problem, axis inclined at 40 degrees to H. This axis should be inclined to 40 degrees to HP. Now axis is parallel to all the longer sides, that is A to A1, B to B1 and C to C1. Take any one longer side, incline to 40 degrees to HP. The one axis, other longer edges also will be inclined to 40 degrees. How to make that? To go to here, have an option, rotate, go to rotate. Okay, so go to rotate, select one longer side, that is A1 dash to A dash. Okay, go to position angle. Okay, your required angle will be 40 degrees. 40 degrees to axis inclined to 40 degrees. Select 40 degree. Okay, now to be along with this longer side, axis also inclined to 40 degrees to HP. 40 degrees to HP. Okay, so now you have to draw the uh, inclination between here to here. You can see here will be 40 degree. Axis inclined to 40. Show the axis inclined to 40 degrees to HP. Now you have drawn second step front view. Now you have to draw. So in the second position, you have to draw the top view of this. How to draw top view of this? Okay, now a little bit zoom this area. Okay, zoom this area. Now go to line command. Okay, line command. I'll set here projection as a normal line. Okay, now I'll draw the from all bottom sides. Here from A, I'll move towards right side A. So top side edges will be here. Top side edges will be here. This will be top side A. I'll make use of alignment indicator. Move downwards. I'll draw A. Okay, this is position of A. Okay, then other A, see here A1. Okay, first I'll draw the top side edges. Next E. Okay, E is here. Okay, move downwards. E1, E, this will be okay, E. Then C is on top side. Move downwards. Make use of alignment indicator. C, locate C. Okay, then draw from C to C1. Then B, okay, B is on bottom side. Move here, come downwards, locate B1. Okay, then similarly D also is here. Move downwards, okay, D. Then from D, move downwards. Project the lines from the top side. This is the top side of the pentagon prism. You are coming downwards. Okay. Then locate this A1. A will be top side. Top side will be A. Okay, E, B, D, C. To locate A. Here this will be A. Go to text command. Here you type here A. Here E. This will be responded to your D. Your B. will be your C. Then also you can locate center O. Okay, center O, how to locate? Go to line command. Move towards down. Okay, this will be center. This will be your O1. Okay, O. This will be your O. Next, now you take bottom side. Bottom side of this will be here. This will be bottom side. So move downwards. Go to line command. This will be your A1. This will be your E1. Then O1. Take the end point. This will be O1. This will be your B and D. This will be your C1. You are located. Now go to text command. Okay. Text command. Select text command. This will be your A1. Okay. This will be your B1. This will be your D1. This will be your B1. Be your C1. Bottom side A1, B1. Bottom side of this will be A1, B1, B1. And this will be center O of the bottom side will be O1. So now you are located bottom side here, top side. Okay, top side this will be A, B, C, D, E. You are located moving downwards, and from here moving right side. Wherever it intersects, there will be A, B, C, D. Similarly, apart from the bottom side, move downwards, and wherever you are located, A, B, C, D, locate A, B, C, A1, B1, C1, D1, and O1. Okay, now you are located the points. Once you locate the points, will be how to draw the top view. In the top view, you have to draw top view. First step, go to select the line command. You have here visible and invisible edges. Select visible. First you draw visible edges. How to identify? When you see, observe the object from the top side. Observe the object from the here top side. Okay, after inclination you observe the object from the top side. Okay, first step you have to make border line. All border will be visible. Any after inclination, make it border line dark. From dark to dark, from A to B, visible line, B to B1, B1 to C1, C1 to D1, D1 to D, and then D to E, E to A. Okay, to make border line dark. Once you draw dark line dark, okay, D1 to, now you are drawn dark line. And the next step, when you see the top side, when you observe from top sides of the pentagon prism after inclination visible. All top sides will be visible. You have to make A, B, C, D, make dark line. That will be B to C also visible and C to D also visible. So now which one will be invisible here? When it be inclined here, when you see from top side, the A1 and D1, this A1 and D1 side is resting on HP, that is on come on XY line, is resting on HP, that is comes on XY line the front view. So that A1 and D1 is in hidden line, and also that containing two longer sides, also not visible. So how to remember how to identify invisible edges means the resting side. Now which is the place down XY line. Observe here that will be A1 and D1 dash. Okay, the A1 and E1 that containing two longer sides, that is AA1 and EE1 is not visible. Remaining all edges will be visible. Okay, any prism problem, when you're going to incline to HP at some angle, when you're drawing this view, okay, first step, make borderline dark, then top edges visible. Next step, which one is the resting side or corner? Okay, your resting side is A and E1. A not is not visible, that containing longer side, two longer sides also not visible, and that containing two sides, that is A1 to B1 and E1 to D1 not visible. Okay, to make that one, go here, go to line, to make invisible line, take hidden line. To draw hidden line from D1 to B1 also not visible. Okay, and B1 to A1 also not visible. This will make trim this portion. Okay, here also you can trim this. It is trim this portion. Okay, okay, go to hidden line, go to line command, take hidden edges, draw from here to here. Then draw this line, it will be hidden line. Okay, from here to here, also hidden line. Okay, now go to hidden line, A1 to A principal, and from here to here you make normal or projection line. Okay, so now we can observe here and also go here, visible line, that the C2, C1 top side, that longer side visible, make dark. Okay, so how to identify invisible edges? Only that the edge resting on side A1 and E1 is not visible, that containing two longer side, and also that containing two base sides, that is A1 and B1, and E1 and D1 is not visible. That we are shown here. A1, B1 is not visible, that containing two sides B1 and D1, and also A1 to D1 is not visible, and also that containing two longer sides A1 to A and B1 to and E1 to E. Okay, that is not visible. Okay, now here go to text. This part will be your E1. Okay, so now you are drawn second step. Once you draw second step, okay, now second position you are drawn front view and top view. Okay, to draw this one, suppose while you are going to incline it by using software, you are going to take the rotate option, you rotate it. But to manual construction, so what you can do here, take A1 to A dash as 60 mm length, take 60 mm. But by using protractor, measure 40-degree line, draw A1 dash to A. That will be 40-degree inclination. Once you draw this, okay, from here measure A1 to C dash, this length, base side. Okay, A dash to C1 dash, and also A dash to C dash here. Both will be same. This base side will be both will be same. From A1, draw perpendicular degree line, perpendicular line with this line, base side line. Okay, that will be 90-degree inclination. Here also similarly draw perpendicular line, that will be 90 degrees to this line. Then join this. Okay, once you got this rectangle inclined to 40-degree, then locate by measuring from A1 to O1 dash, A1 to B1 dash, locate these distances and join this. Okay, this will be how you are going to construct this, and then draw parallel lines. Okay, then from A1 move downwards, locate this ABCD, move downwards, locate this one, and then join border line, then C to C1, and which one is the left hand side here, A1 to E1, that containing two longer sides is hidden edges, that containing two sides also hidden invisible edges. Okay, next you'll go for third portion, third step. Okay, in the third step, okay, what will be the problem will be edge of the base. You can see, observe here, the problem will be on the resting on one of its edges of the base, which is inclined to be at 30 degree. That means the edge of the base is inclined to be at 30 degree. Okay, here the which will be resting edge. Resting edge will be A1 and E1. This will be inclined to be at 30 degree. To draw this, okay, I'll zoom this area. I'll have option zoom area. I'll zoom this portion. Okay. Now I'll select. First, I'll draw the 30 degree line by using normal line. Okay. I won't draw here because if you draw here, it's very difficult to locate pentagons. What always you take little bit down. Okay. Draw 30 degree line here. Then say suppose 60 mm line and angle minus 30. Okay, once you draw 30 degree inclination, next step, select previous drawing, then go to move option. Okay, select any one side of the base side edge. Okay, select any one base side is the A1 or E1. A1 or E1. Select that corner, move the portion. Okay, move this A1, place on this 30 degree line. Place on this A1, place here. Okay, okay, then right click. Okay, now you have placed A1 sitting on this 30 degree line. Next, go to rotate. Select A1 and E1. Okay, rotate prism. Okay, place on that base A1, E1 should come and sit on this 30 degree line. Okay, rotate this will be place will be sit on come and sit on 30 degree line. Again, I'm showing how to do this. Okay, select this whole drawing. Okay, whole drawing. Then go to rotate. Select this edge, resting edge A2 E1. Rotate and place on this 30 degree line. Okay, once you've placed on this 30 degree line, okay, then go to angle option. Measure the angle you have taken. Base side will be inclined to 30 degree. So show the 30 degree line. Once you draw 30 degree line, okay, now you got the A, B, C, D. Okay, here also you got A, B, C, D one. Okay, this one will be your C1. Okay, now your top side will be here, bottom side will be here. Now you have drawn top view. One of its edge resting inclined to be at 30 degree. Resting edge will be inclined to be 30 degree. Okay, now you have to draw front view here. To draw front view, okay, now from here, now you have top side edges here and this will be bottom side edges. Here bottom side is here, top side edges is here. Okay, to draw bottom side edges. Okay, so now first I'll draw the bottom side edges A1 and E1. A1 and E1, this will be you go to line command, select A1 till A1 is here, it comes here. Then E1 is here on XY line, comes on XY line only. Next, B1 is here, click here. Okay, then join. Next, D1 is here, D1 it comes here. Okay, next C1. Little bit of action afterwards you can treat. That will be your sometimes the coincidence where it comes very close moment. Okay, C1. Okay, C1 comes here. Then join. move towards this side C1. This will be your A1, B1, C1, D1 and E1. So look at A, B, C, D. Similarly, now this top side how to locate top side. A is here. Okay, move upper side. A on bottom side. A come here, join this. Then B, E move upward. It comes here only. E is here. E comes here. Then B move upper side. B is here. Make use of alignment indicator. B, click here, then join this. Next, B is over, then D, D comes here, D. And C, this point C, move upward, C comes here. Okay, so now you are located top side and bottom side edges. Now I'll go to text command. I'll type here, this will be your A1, A, this will be your B, this will be your C, this will be your D and E. Okay, next come to here bottom side. Okay, bottom side. Okay, A1 comes here. A1 dash, A1 dash, because you have to give dash and not given. Okay, here also you have to give A dash, B dash, C dash, dash. Then E1 dash, E1 dash, then sorry, E1 dash, this will be your B1 dash, B1 dash, here, C1 dash, B1 dash, here, C1 dash, C1 dash, and this one will be your D dash, D1 dash, D1 dash. So now you are located ABCD here and ABCD here. Okay. Now, how to draw front view? In front view, when you prism will be on a base side will be inclined to 30 degree, base side resting on 30 degrees to VP, and the prism axis will be inclined to HP at 40 degree. You have to draw front view. Okay, to draw front view, you're going to observe the object from here. Okay, here also we can use one method. We can go here, line command. Okay, select visible line. Okay, first step, when you observe from the bottom side, okay, when you observe from the bottom, okay, base side will be visible. All base side is in this position in all the prism problem and will be inclined some angle here. Base side always visible. Make dark. Okay, for that you can little bit zoom this area. Zoom this area. Okay, now base side visible. Go to line command. Okay, now I'll draw with A1 to B1, B1 to C1, C1 to D1, D1 to E1, E1 to A1. First step, base side edges dot. Next, borderline, make dot borderline, D2 D1, D2 C, C2 B, B2 A, A2 A1. A2. Okay, now come to A2. A1. Okay. Now first step, bottom side, when you observe from this side, front view, bottom side visible, okay, because the bottom side will be nearer to the observer, it will be visible, and the border line in the all the prism will be make dark. Now here, um, which side will be left out, corner side, one corner, that will be he will be left out. Okay, how to identify, simple method, how to identify invisible edges. Okay, to go be E will be nearer to X point. One option be E, this longer side, will be nearer to X point. That is not visible. That to containing two sides also not visible. One method. Otherwise, be not touching any borderline. Not touching any borderline. That E to E that is also visible. E to E longer side and that containing two sides also not visible because not touching any borderline. That means that we away from the observer. That will be on other side. How to make that? Okay, go to hidden line. Okay, first step E2 D1 hidden line. Okay, this also will make hidden line. Okay, then trim this portion because it will be already line is there. Then go to line command. Select hidden line from E to A also not visible. Okay, to A also not visible. Once you draw this, next step. Okay, this will be C to C longer side visible because C to C is front near to the observer and also touching border line. Okay, you make that will be dark line because it will be visible. C to C1 be visible and also B to B1 also visible. Okay, so here how to identify invisible edges? One method, which parts here E is near to XY line that containing two sides is not visible. Okay, and that containing that is E2A and E2D, that's the other side, and E2E1 longer side is on that side, not visible. Okay, otherwise is not touching any borderline. Here borderline is not touching, it will be away from the border, it's only separate. But which one is the left out without border? That containing two sides is not visible, that containing longer side also not visible. Once you draw this, okay, one more you are left here. Okay, you have to draw the O1. Okay, O1 to locate, draw the O1. Okay, you can show the axis line O1, that is center line. That also I have to extend from center. Okay, that we can locate the center. Take the line command, center line. Projection line, that is normal line. Then okay this. Okay, from here to here you take hidden line. Okay, sorry, we have to make that will be that line you have to make. Select this center because there is the axis line you have to make that as center line. Okay, now how to locate? This is here to give notation. This here as O dash, here O1 dash, O1 dash. Okay, this will be how you are going to draw. First step, place the prism here, produce front and top view and front view. Then incline this will be 45 degree, draw front view and top view. Just engage. Okay, To draw manual drawing, okay, what you can do here, draw 30-degree line here, okay, measure A to E1, okay, it'll be 25 mm, locate down this A to E1, okay, then make use of arc method, okay, make use of arc method, A to C1 and E1 to C1, okay, from here cut an arc here, from C1 to here, locate this C. Okay, once you locate C, measure A1 to B1 and E1 to D1 in the same distance. With A1 to D1, draw arc on this side. From E1 to D1, draw arc on this side. Okay, then take C1 to D1 and C1 to B1, measure this distance in radius. It centers C, cut this arc, located ABCD. Okay, once you draw ABCD here, okay, next step, what you can do here, take from here. See here now I got five pentagon AB, A1, B1, C1, D1. Okay, now from here measure any one A1 to A or B1 to B. See here B1 to B is how much? You have to measure by using scale. Okay, B1 to B will be 45.96. 45.96 from here, from all five corner sides. Okay, we want to draw perpendicular line. This length will be 45.96. If you measure here, you can observe this will be 45.96. Similarly, you can draw from here to 45.96, from here perpendicular 45.96, from E1 to 45.96, and A1 to 45.96. Okay, you'll get AB, it will be 46 mm. Join this, okay, you'll get the top view. Then similarly, you can projection method, move upward, from here move downwards, you'll get ABCD here. Similarly, from here, top side, ABCD here. Then first to bottom side visible, make dark. Then dark border lines. Then which one is left out? E1, that containing two sides invisible, that containing longer side visible. This is how you are going to solve the problem. Okay, pentagonal prism. Okay, resting on one of its side on HP, base side on HP, and that axis being inclined to 40 degrees to HP. Okay, and the resting gauge being inclined to be at 30 degree. Okay, thank you.